Hey Bean Beauties, welcome in. We have another scorching day today, 101 degrees. I'm still in my marathon unboxing, so all these videos I'm having the same shirt, same hairstyle. These are all the same day, so you want to see what I'm unboxing today? Hopefully I make it through this weather. Come on back. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? In case you are new to my channel, I just want to give you a little bit of tidbits about my channel and about me. I am here to share my shopping hauls. Pre-loved items is mainly what I do, but I also try to buy things on sale because I'm allergic to full price. I love to do collabs, so you'll see a lot of collabs on my channel with different content creators. And what sprung out of that is I do lives 1 to 2 times a week with different content creators, those who are in the luxury handbag community. So that's really what's about my channel. So if any of this interests you, please stick around and see you in a bit. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, we're gonna kind of make this as quick and painless for everybody as possible. I am trying to get caught up on my unboxings. I have a huge box here. I didn't do my check-in system because I was sick. So let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. This was sent July the 19th, but 2025, y'all, 2025. So these boxes are 2025. And must have been, let's see, must have been eBay, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, yes, these are on eBay. I got these on eBay. I got them from the seller, and I'm going to put his information. I asked if I could put his shop up because he was wonderful to work with. These are 2 bags. He had 2 bags up, and I got an offer on one. He gave me an offer on one, and I said, hey, I want your other bag. It's the same silhouette, the same style, but different colors. How much will you charge me if I take both of them? So he made a great deal for me. He combined the shipping. He changed the settings so that it all came out the same. So I'm super excited, y'all. Okay. If y'all saw my video, bags that I'm hunting, this is definitely one of the styles that I've been hunting since 2023, and it's all Suz What's fault. Yes, Suz, it's all your fault. I'm blaming a lot of stuff on you. Let's get into this bag. Oh my gosh. This one is, oh my gosh, look at this. It is the retro, I believe these are called the retro embossed graffiti or graphite, graffiti, graffica. But look at that, how beautiful it is. Look at that. And I don't remember, there wasn't any corner wear. Wow. Here is the top. It's got a zipper. I love this style. I have been down a rabbit hole. I still haven't gotten the one that says has, but I'm still hopeful. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Has that nice, whoops, this one's falling. Is it red or is it orange? No, it's red. It's red on the inside, but the labeling here is orange. So how fantastic is this? Oh my gosh. I just love this bag. I love the style. So I have a small pink tote. I do have one in this orange. It's like a little messenger bag. And look, y'all, it fits because I've lost weight, and this is a longer drop too. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then you know what's in here now. Let me set this down. I'll pick it up in a second. I just wanted to remind y'all that I'm trying to reach that 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you're so inclined to, please help me by subscribing. 45% of y'all watch me on a regular basis are not subscribed, so I would greatly appreciate to have y'all subscribe and help me grow my channel and reach my goal. Once again, this is Dee Dee Bean, and thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every view, every like, every comment, every share. I appreciate everything about it. So thank you so much for joining me, and let's get on with the video. But let's see what color's in here. Oh my goodness. It's the pink. So this is a bigger bag than what I already have. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side. It too has the zipper, and here is the bottom. So this might have a tiny bit of edge wear, but not anything bad. Like I said, he gave me a fantastic price on these. Oh, this one he stuffed. He didn't stuff the other one, but this one he did stuff. And they both have the key fob, so this one matches. Oh, I wonder if that one had the orange match. I didn't notice that. And so then it has the pink on the inside. The red, it's the red lining, but it has the pink on the inside. It has a zip, the zip and the slit on the back wall, and it has the big pocket and the small pocket on the front wall. Fantastic. My gosh. And like I said, he gave me a break on them both, plus he combined shipping. Let's stuff this in here. I'm growing my tote. Growing my tote collection, my regular tote collection. So here are my two Dooney retro embossed. I know it's retro embossed, maybe or maybe not. Graffica, something like that. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. 45% of y'all haven't subscribed to my channel. If I can get just a few of y'all to subscribe, it'll help me get to that goal of 2,000. I'd greatly appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.